Are you struggling renaming all your vacation photos or text files in your folders on your Windows PC? You are not alone. Many people have the same issue like you, and want to know how to rename, for example, 100 photos in a specific folder quickly and easy. Once you take photos with your phone or your camera, they often look like that. Not pretty nice, right? So in today's video, we are going to show you an easy and quick solution, how you can change all your file names at once, with some simple clicks. So let's go for it, just follow us nice and slow. For first, you are going to open the folder which contains the photos, videos, or files you like to rename. Then, inside the target folder, we tap the Ctrl and the A key on our keyboard simultaneous, to select all files. After that, we click the right mouse button, and click on the Rename option. Now we can simply rename the file as we like and hit Enter on the keyboard. As you can see, it changes directly all our files at once and give them numbers at the end of the file name. And that is actually how you can change all your file names at once. If you are interested in more computer tips and tricks, as well as hacks, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and leave us a comment what you think about this video. Thanks so much for watching guys, and stay tuned for upcoming computer tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Have a good one.